Hi, my name is Austin Noack. I'm with Terpp Extractors, and today we're going to be showing you how to pressure test your Appion G5 twin recovery machine. Pressure testing your recovery machine, especially when you first get it and regularly, is very important. It's going to tell you just how healthy your recovery pump is and how fast it's going to be able to recover those vapors for you. So what we got here is a fresh Appion straight out of the box, has not been used once. And so generally they ship these machines with the valves in the off position. In our case, they're open. It doesn't matter, we're going to set these valves up later. One thing you're going to want to make sure of, or a couple things you're going to want to make sure of, is you don't have anything hooked up to the input or output valves. No filters, no hoses, nothing. Another thing you're going to want to make sure is you have it plugged directly into the wall. No extension cables. If you do use an extension cable, make sure you use something greater than 14 gauge. So we're going to go ahead and start this test. And one thing you're going to need is a stopwatch. I find that the app on my phone works great. And so we're going to go ahead and get these valves set up. And so you're going to want to make sure the blue valve is open and the red valve is off. All right. Now, what you're going to do now is you're going to start the recovery machine and your stopwatch at the same time. And what we're going to do is we're going to time how long it takes to charge up to 550 psi and the pump to automatically shut off. From there, we're going to make sure that it holds for about 10 minutes without losing pressure or turning back on. And after that, we're going to know just how well this recovery machine works. So a combination of how long it takes to charge up and if it holds the pressure is going to tell us just how healthy this recovery pump is. So let's get started. So I'm going to hit the power button and the start button at the same time. Here we go. So as you can see, that pressure gauge is rising pretty rapidly. So as soon as the recovery machine stops, we're going to turn off our stopwatch. 26 seconds, which is perfect. With a brand new recovery machine, you should expect around 30 seconds or anything less than that is golden. Anything greater than 45 seconds, you want to start looking at rebuilding your recovery machine. And of course, 1 minute, forget about it. Go ahead and just get that sucker rebuilt right away. So what we're going to do now is we're going to leave this machine alone for the next 10 minutes. We're going to make sure that this holds at 550 psi. We're also going to make sure keep this power switch on, because if it cranks back on, you'll definitely hear it. So we're going to come back in 10 minutes. We're going to check on this thing, see how it is. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes and the pressure is holding solid. Did not hear any hissing, did not hear any leaks. The gauge did not move one single bit, so we're golden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release this pressure, but I'm also going to keep this power switch on because I want to make sure that this high pressure cutoff switch actually turns back on, because we're kind of testing that mechanism as well. So I'm going to release this pressure and this pump should come back on at the same time. Yep, and it did. So that concludes our Appion test tutorial, and that's about it, folks. Thanks for watching.